Are you a committed person? And maybe you really value that commitment virtue in yourself, but is it stopping you? Is it blinding you from setting boundaries with unhealthy dynamic relationships or even toxic relationships in your life? And how does that show up as affecting your business? If we can't set healthy boundaries with unhealthy dynamics in our life, then it can lead to burnout, it can lead to exhaustion, it can lead to frustration, it can lead to resentment, it can lead to lack of time management skills. It can spill over into all these areas that directly affect our business and our income. And so this can be whether it's with somebody that's in your business or related to your business or in your personal life, it still has the same effect. It's keeping you from showing up in your business as your full self, ready to be as productive as you can be to directly impact your income. And so reparenting of the inner child using the Heartshine Method is so important because it allows us to slowly get comfortable with setting those boundaries so that we can show up in the business as we are and earn the income that we deserve. Expect joy.